I think Dr. Miller is going to be pretty happy. Look what we are coming on to here. Not huge, but there is lion's mane mushroom, a couple of them. We'll leave that small one and get the bigger guy, and I think we're gonna have a good, get us all in here, a good bit of mushrooms for some nachos tonight, Bridge. We found a lion's mane so far mushroom, and what else are we looking for? Oh, we're hoping to find a little bit more lion's mane, maybe some chicken of the woods, and maybe some hen of the woods. And anything else? Maybe some chanterelles if we can find them. Or maybe an oyster mushroom. We will see. It's interesting that they're all named after animal foods, but nonetheless, we are out looking for some mushrooms. We're not going to go back empty-handed. Mom will be happy. Dr. Miller will be happy because she loves barbecue lion's mane mushrooms, and we'll have to make some nachos for her because we did that a couple years ago when we were up camping up in the Shenandoahs. So now we're back on the move. So we are out here, and Bridgette, she just pointed out, look at this. Well, we're definitely not going to go home empty-handed without some lion mane mushroom, Bridge. Here, why don't you show everyone? Look at that. Well, lucky for us, we don't have to be too stealthy while mushroom hunting because someone is deciding to make some good bit of noise out here. Really, plant-based or vegan mushroom hunting, a little bit different, huh? We can have a little more fun out here and even more tasty. All right. You're just nose to the ground. You found a couple of them and you're hooked, huh? You can tell my other half of the hunting, mushroom hunting expedition is all tuckered out. And unfortunately, she's gonna miss harvesting one of the two mushrooms that we came out here for. Now we've picked quite a bit of lion's mane, which is good. Dr. Miller loves that. But we were looking for hen of the woods and chicken of the woods, and we just stumbled upon the mother lode of hen of the woods, or also known as Maitake mushroom. And so let's go ahead and get a little closer look. That is awesome. Now, it's tough to tell how fresh it is sometimes, and this one may be, actually, I think that's gonna be pretty good. This one's definitely, here, we'll just lift it up a little bit there. That's perfect. Oh my goodness, that is going to be delicious. And then with Maitake mushrooms, you always wanna look around, right? We've got two clusters here. We have another one forming back there, and these are all too small, but if this was a popular spot that we came to, we could always come pick up some of those later as they grow, but this is gonna be a pretty tasty dinner. So, here, Bridge. Well, you're asleep. But hey, if that's all we found, it'd be a great day out in the woods. But since we found even more, it's been a fantastic day out in the woods, and honestly, it's always a great day out in the woods if you're with loved ones, even if we filled the bag. And now we're peeking around to the other side of the tree. And what do you know? Another choice Maitake. Oh yeah. Now this one looks like it's maybe a little bit older, but we'll give it a, oh yeah. That will also be good. Tell you what, the backpack's getting a lot heavier. Well, look who decided to wake up. Well, I think you're getting heavier, and the backpack sure got heavier since we've been out here, so we're gonna, I think, head back to the old car. What do you think? What do you think? Are we heading back? Yeah, we've had a good time out here. All right. What we just stumbled upon heading back to the car is one of the greatest treats that you could ever experience out in the woods. We're gonna be nice and gentle there. We're not gonna get too close, but that is one of the most beautiful eastern box turtles we've ever seen. And to be able to see them not on the road, not in an aquarium, but actually in the woods, hunting for, in all honesty, bugs, but also the same choice wild mushrooms that we're looking for. And so this is, you know, being able to share this type of experience with Bridgette is pretty awesome. And it's not going to bring a tear to my eye, but it definitely could. And I sure do love turtles. You know, you've seen my necklace, and you see I grew up with turtles. And so being able to witness them out here in the wild like this is, I sure hope we don't lose that ever. I hope this is something that everybody gets to experience. So we're gonna move on, but thank you, Mrs. It's a female, Mrs. Eastern Box Turtle, for giving us just making our day. That is awesome. Bridge, you can't beat that. That's pretty cool. All right, Bridge. Let's see what all we got. Surprised Dr. Miller, right? Mom's on the camera. Not such a tight shot like out in the woods. All right. First one. Beautiful hen of the woods. Nice Maitake. Oh. Let's do this. We had a baggie because we wanted to separate any mushrooms. We got lion's mane. Lion's mane. Kind of got smushed a little bit. That'll be all right. Another lion's mane. More than enough for nachos. And another Maitake. Woo! Woo! A lot of hen of the woods. But wait, you said, Dad, there's more. Another Maitake. And with so much Maitake, you might wonder, well, Gabriel and Bridgette, what are you going to do with all that Maitake mushroom? Well, this makes a great dried mushroom, and so, you know, we'll wash it and soak it in salt water, and then be able to slice it up and dehydrate it, and you can store it in something like a mason jar, and it'll be good for a year, and you can rehydrate it and use it like you would any other mushroom. So we got all the mushrooms, Bridgette. Well, thank you all for tuning in and coming along with us in the woods today. We had a really fun time. We'll have an even better time eating them and cooking them up. And so we love you. We thank you for watching, and we'll hopefully see you in another video soon. And if you like this one, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with anyone who you want to go mushroom hunting with. Say bye. Bye. All right, Mom, you want to get a picture?